I am very passionate about what I do because I'm changing someone's life. Rest assured, we will figure out how we can amend your proposal. My clients are not just a number to me. Maybe I'm a mother hen. I want to make sure that things are being done properly. You must be Yasmin. I am Cori. It is every day, every minute of my life. I'm almost consumed by my job because I am looking after people. How are you? It's been a while. And hopefully I can make a difference in their life. Look at that smile.
Yes.
Are you feeling better?
Oh, yes, yes.
I'm Cori Naron. I start my day at 7 o'clock or sometimes even before 7 o'clock. There are clients of mine that are working and getting paid by the hour. And so I try to accommodate them by coming in early, by seeing them at least probably an hour before they start work so that they wouldn't lose their pay. Hello, Miss Tita, how are you? It's been a while.
Oh, yeah.
2 months has gone by. How are you now?
Good.
Look at your face.
Not a facelift, but it's just happy.
Have a seat.
Sure.
A counseling session is something that has to be done by clients who file, whether it's a proposal or a bankruptcy. It's been almost 2 months since you filed. How do you feel?
Oh, my God. Do you know the feeling of freedom? I really feel so free now. I can sleep.
Any of the creditors calling you?
No more.
No more.
Yeah.
Okay. So the phone is quiet.
Yes.
You're sleeping well.
I'm sleeping
Everything
well.
is fantastic.
That's right.
Fantastic. What I tell my client is it's really a feel-good meeting because prior to doing that counseling, most of the clients are really, really distraught. And now they're coming in to see what happened with their proposal or bankruptcy. Unfortunately, you got into a situation that was hard to come out of.
Oh, yeah.
You got involved with payday loan cases, okay, which are really, really a big problem.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
Yeah. Payday loan here, another payday loan, and then shuffle it, you know?
So the one payday became 3,
Yes.
so that you can pay the other loan
Yes.
with another loan.
Yes.
So it was very stressful to you. So,
And I felt bad because my children are already big, and it's my
responsibility, and you
it's
didn't
not-
want to
yeah,
ask.
Like,
Did you
this is
ask?
ridiculous. I should not be doing this anymore to myself. Being a single parent, ever since they were small, I don't want to show about my situation. I want them to see me as a strong person, a strong mother. But yeah, it was a struggle.
The whole purpose of the consumer proposal is for you to be able to pay an amount of money that's fair to you and to the creditors, okay?
Yeah.
And you feel good about
Yes,
that.
yes,
You didn't want to do a bankruptcy,
No,
and you
no,
said you
definitely.
wanted to pay something. Your consumer proposal looks good. $100 is the payment every month. When it's counseling time, I am very, very firm. I tell them what they need to do to be financially sound, because after all, they're coming in here to get help. All I can say is, welcome to your new life.
Oh my God, I cannot tell you how thankful I am. I really needed help. Oh, I feel really good. Like, my smile is pure. Oh, I have to give you a hug.
Oh, yes!
Thank you.
This is the time that I see the changes in people, the way they look, the way they feel, because now they are relieved of that financial difficulty. And I look forward to seeing you again.
Okay, sure.
Initially, you struggle, and at the end of the day, when you put in hard work and determination, you will be fine.